Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're taking a look at TrueConnect, a loan platform found at https://trueconnectloan.com. This platform offers a specific type of loan designed for employee financial wellness programs. Essentially, it's a way for employers to provide their staff with access to affordable short-term loans, often to help cover unexpected expenses or manage financial emergencies. This can be a valuable resource for employees who may not qualify for traditional loans or who want to avoid high-interest payday lenders. It's important to understand that TrueConnect loans aren't directly issued by the employer. Instead, the platform partners with a network of lenders. TrueConnect acts as a facilitator, connecting employees with these lenders and offering a streamlined application process integrated with payroll deduction for repayment. This direct deduction system helps ensure timely payments and can contribute to building positive credit history. The website highlights the importance of responsible borrowing and financial well-being. They emphasize that their loans are designed to be a safety net, not a long-term financial solution, and encourage borrowers to develop healthy financial habits. While the platform's primary focus is on employer-sponsored programs, it's worth noting that individual employees can't apply directly through the website. Access to TrueConnect loans is dependent on the employer's participation in the program. So, if you're an employee and interested in this resource, it's essential to inquire with your company's HR or benefits department to see if they partner with TrueConnect. For employers considering implementing this type of program, the website provides information on how to get started and the potential benefits for both the company and its workforce. They often highlight how financial wellness can positively impact productivity and employee retention. The site also features resources and educational materials to help borrowers understand the terms and conditions of the loans, along with promoting responsible financial management. They aim to empower employees to make informed decisions about their finances and offer a more sustainable alternative to potentially predatory lending practices.